Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sublimating a pillowcase for one of my old throw pillows. This one is a linen color I purchased as a bundle from Amazon. If you are pressed for time and would like to make this craft today, you can pick one up from Hobby Lobby. They are a white color and a little bit larger in size, but the graphic is going to look just fine if it's on a larger pillow as well. My pillow is a 16 inch by 16 inch, therefore I printed out my image on a 13 inch by 19 inch paper and have some space around the pillow anyway. And then I cut off the corner of the print because my printer smeared some ink on it and I didn't want it to mess up my pillowcase. I tried to remember to place the butcher paper on the bottom platen just in case my blank or my print bleed through. Then place my pillowcase with the image facing up. Then cover the whole thing with another sheet of butcher paper. I get the giant rolls from Amazon, which last me forever. This is the second pillowcase I am pressing because I forgot to click record on the last one. And I pressed it for 60 seconds at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I have to say I am impressed with the image transfer because not only did I make this with AI by myself, I also have never used these pillowcases before. If you're ready to make a Valentine's Day pillowcase for yourself or as a gift for someone special, go to my blog at craftvinci.com. I am linking it down below and download this free PNG. And P.S. this image would look great on a tumbler, a sweatshirt, or a t-shirt too. This is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to go to my free image library on my blog to download this PNG, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.